Welcome! Today in front of me DOOGEE S95 Pro, and I'll show you how to change icon shape on this device. So firstly we should get the X icon editor application from the Play Store, and now X icon changer. So now just tap to install and wait a few seconds while the application installing on your device. And now just here click to open. And as can you see, we can change one of our icon. For example, we can tap here to contacts, and we can change the icon to another style of icon. For example, we got here the contacts. We'll go in with this one, or no, with this one, for example. Now just tap to OK. Wait a few seconds. Okay, now just skip the ads. Okay, add automatically. And now, for example, if you will see here, you can see the new icon of your contacts. So just now tap here, and as can you see, that's really worked. So also you can change the icon style for your another application by the same way. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.